Hey, this is the 12th day of my vlog, and it's also the last day of January 2013. Today I woke up at 9 a.m. I think, and the sun was shining, it was warm outside, it was such a lot of birdsong, and the snow was gone. It was a lot when I fell asleep yesterday, and I remember also that at midnight suddenly a storm broke loose. I thought first that it's an earthquake because the walls were shaking and outside there was so much noise and sound and like thunder. But it was a storm, a really weird storm. It lasted for 5 minutes and then it was over. And today when I woke up, all was green, no white anymore. The sun was shining so bright. I haven't seen the sun shining that bright since many weeks. And therefore I went for a walk today. I also had a strange dream today. So the time for my weird dreaming isn't over yet. Today I was dreaming about Supernatural, the show, and that I'm in it, and about a poltergeist. And I woke up at I think 4 a.m. in the morning, and the full moon was shining on my bed here, and the whole room was very light. And then I thought I have to fall asleep again, and then I dreamt another weird dream that I can't remember, but it was weird. I can't remember that. And that was my night. Maybe because of all these strange dreaming, I'm so tired the whole day. I can't concentrate on my studying, but I have to finish this chapter and start another one. Nothing more interesting to report today, so that was it. Here is my hand. I'm looking at it the whole time because I'm making strange gestures with my hand, with my left hand. And yeah, because it was such a lovely day, I finally was able to remove all the Christmas lights outside, because we had that much snow in the last few weeks that I couldn't remove them, and today was the day. Finally, now Easter can come. Bye.